Hello, I'm Reneiloe Mabena. I'm the author of Blaze the Beginning, the first of many books to come. I'm 17 years old. I finished writing the book when I was 16 years old. Had the initial idea when I was in grade 5, so that means I was 12 years old. And I like to read, write books, obviously, play some games, and basketball, especially basketball. Well, the story is about a young boy named Tonto who's in grade 9. And unfortunately he gets possessed by an evil spirit. And then now he doesn't want these powers, but he has to use them to fend off an alien invasion that affects South Africa and the greater world. Well, I find that it's easier to talk about, because if I do anything like a romance or comedy, it's common and stuff, but I want to do something that's amazing. Personally, I've always wanted to be a superhero, so Tonto is almost based on me, but all the good things about me, also some of the bad things about me, like, well, I don't want to give away too much so about the character, but yeah, mostly about me. Well, Tonto, he gets angry a lot. I don't get angry a lot. I find that it's hard to get angry at things because things that you can't change. Similarly, Tonto's funny. People say I'm funny, so I put that in the book as well. He tries his best to help other people. I find that I also do that myself. And he's a leader. He's a natural leader. People have told me that I'm also a natural leader, so I put that aspect into his character as well. Emotionally, he has to keep his anger in check, because every time he gets angry, the spirit takes over. Physically, he has to deal with the aliens and the government trying to kill him at the same time, so he's got two threats to worry about. And emotionally, he has to deal with leading his friends, the emotional turmoil he goes through trying to fight the spirit. There's two voices inside his head, his own, the spirit, just that battle that he has to go through. At first I wanted to start with animation because I watched a lot of TV shows and cartoons, and I'm like, oh, maybe one day I'd make my own, because that's what I really wanted to do. Then I saw that animation was kind of tough. I did a course in animation, and it's a really long process and it takes a lot of people. So then I decided to write comics in grade 7 about the initial storyline and sold it to my friends. Then I'm like, but I want to get more people to read it. It can't be just a comic book. So now I decided, let me try another medium, and why don't I try writing? So then I put pen to paper, I actually wrote it on my cell phone, BlackBerry. And yeah, years later, not years, like 2 years later, I had the book. Well, there wasn't really like a formulaic process. When I wanted to write, it just hit me like, I need to write now. So hopefully by then I'd be finished with all my homework, then I just go to the computer on my phone and I just start typing. Well, my family's always supported me and encouraged my writing skill. They always say writing kinda in the family. So it's been a good time with my family. I found that I look at life in a different way, like how humans interact with each other. It's not like face value. There's a whole lot of aspects that go into emotional, physical talk and everything. And also writing this book has helped improve my English mark greatly. I want to go into law. I'm not too sure what I want to specialize in, but somewhere around entertainment law and the mergers, company mergers. And also I want to keep on writing. I think I'm going to do this until I'm old and decrepit. I've already finished the first 3, 2 more to go, or an extra one. Yeah, and you can expect a lot of action, a lot of comedy, a bit of romance, just about everything you can find out there.